What's going on, brosif? They said their dryer is just humming. Yeah. Definitely humming. I have to split it apart and see what's going on. Turn the breaker off. First thing we gotta do is get these screws out, and the top will come off. Now I get the top off. Ooh, try to focus. The belt's on there. We'll pull the front off, dive deeper. And to get the front off, you just take this screw out and that screw out. It should come on off. Alright guys, lots of times, it's real common, this lint will prevent the motor from turning. All this gets trapped up on the blades here, and the motor won't turn. So you want to keep this clean. Usually it's just that simple of a fix. Get all this lint out of here. This will get up on the motor blades and it won't turn. Clean it real good. Alright dudes, I think this is going to be the issue. Just all this lint. It's all hanging out here, pressing against the blades. Wasn't able to turn. I put my hand back here and back here. I've got other videos, dryer videos, where I had to do that, where I check the pulley system and the wheel, check the pulley and the belt on the motor shaft wheel, and it feels good. Nothing feels out of the ordinary. So I think we got away with one today. Easy fix. Just had to clean out the lint. So I'll put it back together and just test it out. Got the front back on. You don't need to put the top on yet. There we go, easy fix. Just had to remove all this lint, pressing against the blade. And sometimes you'll have to give the dryer a turn with your hand, but it'll get going. 9 times out of 10, so yeah, easy fix. Alright, we got the top on. Good to go. You know what's really weird is I had to do the same repair to my home dryer about 2 weeks ago. Big massive ball of lint just pressing against the wheel, the motor wheel, and it's been good ever since. And I come to work and have to do the same thing. It's pretty crazy, but easy fix. Just get all that lint out of there. If your dryer motor is buzzing. Alright, see you on the next video. Lates.